The only way you have to record a multisport activity on your Coros is actually to press the crown and you reach the multisport activity. You will see all of those when you select it, when you start the activity, whitewater, rowing, run, walk, biking, whatever you choose. When you start the activity, that's the activity you do and that's it. If you want to do a multisport activity, you will want to reach that multisport tab. So you select it, and then before you start the activity, you will go into settings, and you will have to carefully choose the activity you will want to do in the right order. So you go into workout, and from here you can set up to 5 workout. So as you can see here, I set as first activity bike, but I can change it. So if I come inside, I can say, for example, open water, and then I'm gonna change run for hike, and then I'm gonna hand this on a bike like that. So here I'm gonna start with open water, going to hike, and finally bike. So I can come back with the lower button just right here, and again, and now I can start the activity. So my first activity, actually, yes, I'm inside, so I'm gonna skip that and start the activity. So now I'm on the open water activity. I have all the information I want to have inside the open water activity, and when I'm done, I'm ready to skip to the next one. Well, actually, you can press the crown like usual, press and hold, press it again. Now it paused the activity, and you see now I'm in a transition time, so I can prepare for my next activity, which is hike, as you can see right there. If I press here just right now, I'm gonna pass. I will have to hold to the next activity. So now I'm on a hike. But now what happened if you just want to pause your activity? I want to pause my hike and continue later before to do the biking. I'm not necessarily losing the ability to pause. So again, if I pause my activity just like that, instead of just pressing it to start my biking activity, I can go turn that crown to actually, you see it's on pause since 11 seconds. But I can resume or finish the activity just right there. If I finally don't want to do biking, I can see the details, create a lap, something like that, but I can resume the activity. And again, my GPS signal is the GPS signal you expect to have inside. So the activity continued just like that, and now I'm ready to pass to my bike activity. So I'm gonna press and hold, press. So now I can skip. I got my transition time again, and I skip to the bike. Oops, hold it. Now the biking activity is started, and that was my last activity. So at the end, when I press that button, I got a transition time again to finish the activity. So the workout was less than 1 minute. I don't care. I'm gonna save that, and the activity is saved. So now I got my overall, and I can see the details of every activity one by one if I would like. And the activity will end up as a multisport activity into the Coros app. And if you sync to Strava, it will be 3 separate activity. So that's how you create a multisport activity on your Coros watch. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.